HTML5 has introduced native support for drag and drop interactions, and thanks to that, users are allowed to drag elements and drop them wherever they want. There is quite some code around this example. First, we have a div with ID of drag, but the crucial part is that draggable equals true. It makes the HTML element thanks to this draggable attribute an draggable element. So in short, draggable true means that the div or any other HTML element will be draggable. Next div is drop. Here we have on drop and on drag over. Those are event handlers, which we are defining what kind of behavior we will have when those events will happen, when user will hover on drag and will drop it. More precisely, those are referring to functions, to methods, which actually are controlling the behavior of drag and drop interactions. It's all in script, which is closing tag, so all the logic to control the behavior is JavaScript. The first one, function allow drop for drag on drag over. It's very simple. In fact, it just prevents the default behavior of the browser. So because so here we can touch a bit of compatibility, cross-browser compatibilities. Different browser can have different behavior for this kind of HTML5 APIs. That's why for some of them we are using event prevent default, so we are in full control what will happen. And here we just want to prevent the default behavior of a browser when it will be on drag over. On drop, also it is closing element. We are doing exactly the same, and here we have something, some little logic we'll notice during this course. During this example, we are getting the data, getting the text actually, and which is actually this part. So we are getting the data from the draggable element, which is just drag me, and we are saving that we want the text, which is the drag me from this element, and we will append this child to the element, which is to the element which ID is taken from the previous operation. So let's see what will be that. So if you see drag and drop, drag and drop, you see this kind of a plus, it's here. Yes, and then I have this drag me with me. When I try to, I see in the code, it's all here. Let's see if something will happen when we remove those. To be honest, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, you see? So this is the default behavior of Chrome. There is no this plus, as you can see. Now I put it back, and now there is the plus. Yeah? Let me try and see if I will get Safari, and let's see if we can see any difference, because to be honest, I also don't know. Oh, here, even if I have the prevent by default, then this plus is not there, and here it's there. Now I remove it. I don't want to go into cross-browser compatibility, but I think it's a very nice example. You can notice it. I refresh, and now it's plus is no longer there on Safari, on Chrome, and on Safari it's still the same behavior. So here it was the first time where we have noticed that there is some cross-browser compatibilities differences. But yes, that's it basically. We could see that we are dragging the drag me element and drop it to the drop here, and on the drop here container we are seeing some kind of a plus, okay? And we had JavaScript functions to control the behavior of drag drop interactions. In the next one, we'll have exciting example about iframes.